Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to read comments on X without your account. So let me open X on my phone, and I need to go to whatever post that I want to read comments on, and I want to tap on the empty space here at the top, and please make sure that you do not tap on the photo because it will simply open its image. And you want to tap here at empty space, and if you scroll down you will see here comments that this post has, and also you can sort those comments by tapping here and filtering them by latest, relevant, or likes. Yes, so that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.